the difference.
Yeah. And we live 2 hours from Cozumel. We live in Mexico.
Which
The
part?
two of us do, yeah. We live in the Yucatan.
Ah,
So yeah, so going to
Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to welcome you to the Le Petit Chef dining experience created by Skull Mapping. Let me give you a couple of tips in order to get the best experience. Please remove your personal items from the tabletop so that Le Petit Chef does not trip as he likes running around. Place your napkins in your lap and make sure your plate is perfectly aligned with a magical circle of light. Please silence your phone so as not to disturb the other guests. And now, without further ado, allow me to introduce to you, all the way from France, measuring 6 centimeters, the world's smallest chef, Le Petit Chef.
So that used to be the sign outside.
Bravo. Look at this, it's a lucky puppy. She put a burrata. Yes. It's arugula too. Beef. Radish. Oh, girl. Beef. Oh, she bad. She bad. She's still putting there. She's still putting there. What's your big engine? This is so good. Where's she going?
Sorry.
Totally go for
Now I got you.
Got you. On the top.
Qu'est-ce qui se passe?
Seems all good tonight.
That is so good.
Bon appetit.
Thank you.
Why is he crawling on our plate? Scuba.
This is the best part.
Hey, I hope it's annoying. Put a leg there. Put a leg in there. Put a leg in there. Put more leg there. Yeah, more leg there. There you go.
This is my favorite. This is my favorite. I'm not the best.
I think that's orange. Do it. Puppy should run a fish. There she goes. I like
Not the angel tank.
Get her. Get her. Bring him back. Bring him back. Bring her back. Have you put like butter on it?
Caviar. I take that, a little caviar bomb.
Yeah.
I want a little caviar bomb.
I don't want to my food.
That's what I want.
Do you notice I moved the plate for the caviar? Like, yes.
Cut the hair, cut the meat. I don't want my food. So that means eat.
Hello.
I like to eat.
My lobster.
Here you come.
Yeah. Quick out.
Somebody missed their key.
Oh, there we go.
Where you been? It's the lobster tank. They were just a little behind. Probably had to move part of their staff to a different restaurant. So Blue is serving lobster today. And anyone who has an aqua class room, they get Blue is their guy. It's a sequel restaurant. So
Ice cream.
Ice cream, okay.
I don't like that. Raspberry or strawberry shit. Sorry. I have one. I have one.
There's only three. Chocolate.
Yeah, let's see.
Senor Frost.
Oh, whipped cream.
With Remy. Virginie.
Virginia.
Oh, there we go. What happened? Oh, lava cake. Lava cake. Nuts.
Anybody allergic to nuts?
Mint, a little mint.
Oh, careful.
Skidmore.
Kind of, oh, churro, churro.
Churro?
It's sticky.
Sparkler.
Attention.
He'll be back. He'll be back. Don't worry.